the panel members here is everybody puts the onus on the Prime Minister not
I did not
responding.
put the onus on the Prime Minister.
No, sir, you hold him to a different level of
He just
conduct.
said that the Prime Minister doesn't have to do what his opponents did to him.
No, so that's precisely my point. So what are you expecting the Prime Minister of the country, who is a political activist and political worker in nature, what do you want him to be? Do you want him to be a saint who this is politics, Nidhi, this is real politics. If and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is very different from remote controlled Prime Minister Manmohan Singh.
Should come out of houses and come out on streets. The very next day, sir, the very next day, Shaheen Bagh protests start and hundreds of innocent Muslim women misled, incited, they come out onto the streets, sir, and they are used as shields by all these radical Islamist outfits supported by the Congress ecosystem to further their agenda of breaking this country. Of today, sir. This has happened not from today but from the last 70 years since the time of our independence. Let me just give a few examples, sir. Sir, from 1950 to 1964 under the Prime Ministership of Jawaharlal Nehru, 243 communal violence incidences were recorded in India. Under Indira Gandhi's rule, sir, 337 communal violence incidences were documented in 15 states. Sir, during Rajiv Gandhi's rule, 291 communal violence incidences were documented in 16 states, sir, including the barbaric Sikh pogrom of 1984. Sir, out of the 1,194 communal violence incidents documented in India from 1950 to 1995, 73% of all of these occurred during the Nehru, Indira and the Rajiv Gandhi Prime Ministership, sir.
In a recent political rally, he said the only agenda of our coalition is to stop Modi. They are openly saying it. How can someone be more shameful? Modi is saying my agenda is a new India. My agenda is a $5 trillion economy. My idea is in 2020 a superpower. This is one agenda on the side. On the other hand, you have all of these jokers coming together and doing circus every single day and saying our agenda is to stop him. This may sound outrageous. The left liberals on Twitter may not like me saying this, but this election is a test of the common Indian's patriotism. And if you are with Modi, you are with India. If you are not with Modi, you are anti-India. That's
and a fundamental principle of equality. Sir, CAA has brought closure to the issue of refugees from these two countries and has healed the wounds of partition. So what the opposition wants is the opposition does not want all of these problems to be closed. They want these wounds to continue festering so that they can continue with their vote bank politics every single day. They want their vote bank politics to continue.